Doing an unboxing video today. I will grab a bit and I'll be back just in a second. Let me grab it. I have it. Just need to grab it. Okay. So today I'll be opening this Pokemon. Today I'll be opening this Pokemon card pack. It has 25 cards in it. Let me make sure there's nothing else in this. So sometimes... So I got this, then this, and then this trainer card, this energy card, Raichu, then this card, and Sandgust, this card, Pom-Pom, Rockruff, this Pokemon, oh finally, a new dragon type I got. Pancham. And then this Pokemon I can't say. I think that's all the cards, guys. That's end of recording for now. Bye.